guys, so I'm here and I want to talk to you guys all about this KingCamp Bamboo Table. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys how cool this is. To open this up, super easy to open up. I like the fact that it has 3 different heights and it's really easy to be able to adjust them. And so you can see it is at the tallest right now, and it is perfect for an adult kind of sitting in a chair and having the table. And of course, if you want it a little bit lower, like if you have kids or anything or need it just for something lower, you're going to be able to do that. So I really like the fact of having that adjustable legs. I like the look of the bamboo. I feel like it just adds a little bit more of a touch to it. But probably my favorite thing with this KingCamp Bamboo Table is that it folds up and you can carry it with one hand. And so it's really nice. A lot of the times if it's that small, it's a little bit harder to be, like, you don't have as much space. And I mean, like, my arm reaches all the way over to the other side. Like, most of the time, they're not gonna be this big. So love the fact of this, because you are gonna be able to fit, like, there's one here, you're gonna be able to fit probably like 4 to 6 adults. And even or 4 to 6 children, depending on what you're using it for. So overall, really like this, and was excited to get it in and to show you guys all about it. And so it definitely exceeded my my thoughts of what it would be, and the ease of using it, and also the lightweightness of it, which I really like. So it's a very, very sturdy table, but it's really lightweight for me to be able to carry around. So thank you guys so much for watching the review, and I hope you guys found it helpful.